Hi, I'm Kristin Stampini with StampTV, and today I'm going to share with you some tips on how to save thousands of dollars when buying your home. If you are a home buyer or looking to buy a home in the future, this is the video for you. Also, if you want to know more how home sellers set their asking price, stay with me until the end of this video and we'll give you more information. So let's get started. If you're like most home buyers, you have two primary considerations in mind when you start looking for a home. First, you want to find a home that perfectly meets your needs and desires. And second, you want to purchase this home for the lowest possible price. You know what? When you analyze those successful home buyers who have been able to purchase the home that they want for thousands of dollars below seller's asking price, some common denominations emerge. Although your agent's negotiating skills are important, there are three additional key factors that must come into play before you ever submit an offer. These steps will help you save thousands when you buy a home. Make sure that you know what you want, and as simple as this sounds, many home buyers don't have a firm idea in their heads before they go out searching for a home. So in fact, when you go shopping for a place to live, there are actually two homes competing for your attention. So the one that meets your needs and the one that fulfills your desires, right? Obviously, your goal is to find one home that does both. But in the real world, this situation doesn't always occur. And when you're looking at homes, you'll find that you'll fall in love with one or another home for entirely different reasons. Is it better to buy the 4-bedroom home with the room for your family to grow, or one with the big eating kitchen that romances you with thoughts of big weekend family brunches and also friends over and entertaining? You know what? What's more important, a big backyard or proximity to your child's school? Far too often, people buy a home for the wrong reasons and then regret their decision when the home doesn't meet their needs. So a lot to think about. Don't shop with stars in your eyes. Satisfy your needs first. If you're lucky, you'll find a home that does this and also fulfills your desires. The important thing is to understand the difference before you get caught up in the excitement of looking. So, what do? Find out if your agent offers a buyer profile system or house home hunting service, which takes the guesswork out of finding just the right home that matches your needs. This type of program will cross-match your criteria with all available homes on the market and supply you with printed information on an ongoing basis. A program like this helps homeowners take off their rose-colored glasses and affordably move into the home of their dreams. So, how sellers set their asking price, promise to you. So for you to understand how much to offer for a home you're interested in, it's important for you to know how sellers actually price their homes. So here are 4 common strategies that you'll start to recognize when you begin to view homes, okay? So clearly overpriced homes. Every seller wants to realize they want to get the most amount of money they can for their home. And real estate agents know this. So if more than one agent is competing for your listing, an easy way to win the battle is to overinflate the value of your home. So this is done far too often with many homes that are priced 10 to 20% over or more their true market value. This is not in your best interest as well. So because in most cases the market won't be fooled. And as a result, your home could actually that home could sit on the market for months. And so you need to think about that as the home buyer, that you don't want to, if you run and look at homes like that, they might not drop the price. The home actually, it shows that it could be trouble because it's way overpriced. Those to me are not buyers or not sellers who are motivated, or they're not directed properly by their agents, or there's multiple reasons. So you probably don't want to look at that, okay? And if you do, just understand the process that home sellers are doing. If it is priced right, or even a little bit low than what the market value is, what's gonna happen is there's gonna be multiple offers. In the first couple of days, it could actually push it above asking price. So you gotta know that this could happen in your process. And if you're working with the right agent, they absolutely will guide you along the way. So if you want our full report on how to buy a house, please use the information below and reach out to us. We would provide that to you. Also, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to it, ask questions, comments, and also click that bell icon and we will send you new videos every single week. Thanks for joining us today. Bye.